Let me ask you something. Is your mind actually ready for 2030? Because AI isn't just changing how we work. It's changing how we think, how we remember, how we decide. Right now, we're outsourcing memory, reflection, even judgment to algorithms. I'll be honest with you, I used AI to help me write this very script for this video. AI is here and it's a great tool, but maybe you've been feeling overwhelmed by information, distracted for no obvious reason, or unsure whether your intuition is still sharp in this new AI-driven world. This conversation's for you. Today, we're not talking about technology. We're talking about how to future-proof your most valuable asset, your mind. Let me be clear about something up front. AI isn't the enemy. In fact, used well, it's an incredible tool. It can help us work faster, organize better, and access information instantly. But here's the quiet risk no one's really talking about. When convenience replaces effort and speed replaces reflection, the mind doesn't get stronger, it gets softer. Just like physical fitness, mental fitness only develops through reps. And when we stop doing the reps, the muscle fades. There's a term psychologists use called cognitive offloading. It's what happens when we rely on external tools to do the thinking for us, remembering for us, planning for us, deciding for us. And over time, that changes the brain. Attention weakens, memory dulls, focus fractures. Not because we're broken, but because we stopped training. And here's the key distinction. AI can reduce friction, but friction is where growth lives. No resistance, no strength. Just like in physical fitness, at some point you have to add more weight or stretch yourself further in order to see real growth and real strength. This is where human-to-human interaction becomes non-negotiable because the human mind doesn't develop in isolation. It never has. Research from Harvard's long-term studies shows that strong relationships are the #1 predictor of long-term well-being, not success, not intelligence, not productivity. You can check out the link in the description for the full article from the Harvard Gazette featuring Robert Waldinger. Connection literally regulates the nervous system. When another human sees you, hears you, and responds to you in real time, your body calms. Your thinking sharpens. Your awareness expands. AI can give you answers, but it cannot reflect your blind spots. It can't notice hesitation in your voice. It can't sense contradiction between what you say and what you actually mean. It can't sit with you in uncertainty and help you think your way forward. Growth doesn't come from being agreed with. It comes from being understood and challenged. Think about a hard conversation you may have had in the past where someone really challenged you. Did it lead to growth? I remember a friend of mine calling me out after a music practice. I was leading the band and I said some pretty harsh things to our bass player. So my friend pulled me aside in the parking lot and he said to me straight, "Dude, you're a jerk. You can't treat people like that." Was that hard to hear and receive? Definitely. But it was transformative. It challenged me in a deep way. Here's something we forget in an algorithmic world. Meaning isn't downloaded. It's discovered. And it's discovered in conversation. We don't figure out who we are alone in our heads. We figure it out by speaking out loud, by being asked better questions, by having someone help us slow down, notice patterns, and choose intentionally. Your inner life strengthens in relationship. Always has, always will. So, let's draw a clean line. AI can help you think faster. Human coaching helps you think truer. AI optimizes tasks. A coach trains judgment. AI scales answers. A coach deepens awareness. AI responds to prompts. A human responds to you. In the future, the advantage won't belong to the people who automate everything. It will belong to the people who remain grounded, clear, and internally strong. This is exactly why Forte exists. Forte isn't therapy, it's mental fitness. Just like you train your body to handle physical load, Forte trains your inner life to handle life's weight. At Forte, you'll never talk to an algorithm. You will train with a real human. Every member is paired with a Forte coach, someone who knows your goals, your context, and your patterns. Someone who helps you process the moments that actually matter. They aren't here to give you the answers, but to help you build your capacity to answer life well. That's the difference. And that's the work. That's a rep. So if you want to future-proof your mind in an AI-driven world, here are 3 principles to live by. First, don't outsource reflection. Use AI to move faster, but use humans to grow deeper. Second, train relational reps. Regular, intentional, one-to-one conversations where you're not performing, you're processing. And third, invest in inner strength. Because the future won't reward the most informed. It will reward the most grounded. The real question isn't whether AI will get smarter. It will. The real question is whether we will stay human. Whether we'll stay present, clear, connected. If you want to train your mind the same way you train your body with real reps, real coaching, and real connection, Forte is here. Strength starts within.